The monster on the train. We are waiting for a train. In the gloom, I scoop up my trailing scarf. Scanning the tracks, I spot a flash of bright green near the platform. Is that green fur? The train appears, a bright green monster creeps onto the train. Screech! The green monster flows and glows. It slings along the train. I trail along too. The monster grabs some burnt toast. It stinks its pointed teeth into it. Crunch. The monster drops the toast. Crunch. I clear them up with a broom. It drains 3 cans of brown drink. The drink spurts and stains my coat. Slurp. Slurp. The monster scrubs my coat with my scarf. The stains disappeared. The monster grins. It grabs a flower for me, then starts to flee. Thank you. It clambers up the steep ladder to the train roof. It runs along the train. The monster jumps into the trees. Its fur floats in the wind. Is the monster asleep now? But by the train tracks. Sleep tight, monster. Monster on the tracks. Track.